The A3 DTF from am.co.za is an A3-sized DTF printer that saves you space and money. The perfect solution for high-quality direct-to-film printing for custom apparel, promotional items, and much more. It is a single XP600 printhead barebone unit, so the print quality is the same as that of the larger DTFs, ensuring vibrant and durable prints. And the A3 powder and baking oven is the perfect match for the A3 printer. Combine this combo with the in-house InkRIP software and you have the perfect setup in the DTF printing industry. So, if you want to elevate your printing business with this powerful and cost-effective DTF printer, engineered for outstanding performance and impressive results, give sales a call today.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with am.co.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more. am.co.za. Achievement matters.